It's a 2012 Kia Optima. Open the door and climb into the extraordinarily comfortable cabin. With the right balance of bold design and soft touches, a warm welcome awaits. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Cars.com finds with its crease sheet metal and low slung shape, there's a luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, dependable today and way, way down the road. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.